So what happens when you run into a little bit of cash crunch? So let's look at it like this. Your minimums, as I would understand it, per day, gross per unit, if you're a small fleet trucking company, should be about $13.65 a day. On a 5-day week, that's $68.25. And on a 6-day week, you're looking at about $8,100, a little more, $8,100, $70, $90, somewhere around in there. So you're turning numbers, you're doing gross, but your bank won't work with you. You may need a down payment for a new truck. Well, not new, maybe. I don't know if they're making new trucks right now. But for a newer piece of equipment that may be more reliable, so you need down payment money. You might need to purchase a trailer, so you need down payment money. You may need to catch up on some of your credit cards. There may be a major repair that you need to cover. What I'm saying is, the money that you're turning every week on a monthly basis gives you leverage. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but a merchant cash advance is a perfect solution for fast funding for trucking companies. Instant approvals, and it's usually in your account in 24 hours, and if not, 48. That's the type of speed that you need to keep moving in the transportation industry. So here's the thing. You should have a business bank account that you're operating out of anyway. If you've been in business at least 6 months, you qualify for a program. If you've been in business for at least 2 years, you qualify for a program. Programs are different, and of course, interest rates based on risk are going to be a little different based on the time that you had in business. On your 6 months in business, you can be as low as 500 FICO. 2 years in business, to get really good rates, you could be at 600 FICO. Either of these products can help you get the leverage that you might need, A, to keep going or to expand quickly in this market. Thank you.
Very excited to share with you that you can get up to $25K today, transparent terms and industry-leading early pay discounts. Our terms and rates are very easy to understand, unlike many banks. And if you pay off your capital advance within a year, you get a significant discount on your rate. Yes, online immediate approval. It's a very simple, easy process. No hard credit inquiries. Receive funds same day or the next day. If you get in your application and get approved by noon that day, get it that same day. Otherwise, you may get it in the morning or sometime during the next day. You work with a personalized account manager. You can draw more funds as you pay. So if you pay off the first capital advance and you need more funding, we'll help you get that funding. I'll go over a couple bullet points here. How it works. On the left-hand side, these are the items you need to get approved immediately. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, 6 months in business, 450 plus credit score. All industries are included. Middle section. Get funded 2 to 25K with our breezy online easy application. Link online banking, review approval terms, sign agreement online, receive funds. This all happens very quickly. On the right side, pay and draw more. Payment history earns you more. Save with early pay discounts. Receive funding again. Add-on funds available. So what happens if you need more than 25K? We got you covered there too. Just click on this button for large funding application on our website. Brings you to our mainstay, David Allen Capital website for business capital advances. You can receive up to $2 million this week. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 day and capital between $10,000 and $2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. So it's very fast approval, very fast capital again. We represent only the top best rated providers. They actually compete to bring you back the very best rates. Use the funds as you choose. It's a non-collateral business capital. And our rates and everything is spelled out, very transparent, easy to understand, unlike many banks. So again, we're very excited to share with you our new initiative, our business funding For the smaller business, get up to 25K today, instant approvals, and also same-day funding if you get your approval in by noon that day. Otherwise, it's the morning or sometime during the next day. Very excited, so please click the description below the video. If you're on a cell phone, it's a little harder to find, but there is a description down there. And then you'll see our website. Click the website link, and then come here to our website, click this button, get up to 25K today. As you can see, the form couldn't be simpler. It's a simple form. Fill this out. Take a photo of a couple items that they're going to request, and then you will be well on your way. If you need help there you go. Right there's a pop-up chat screen. You can chat with somebody and they will help you out.